Judge, this is Alex. I don't know if Terry's gonna confirm it or not, but Stephanie Aguilar should be off the docket. The MTR, it was already resolved on Friday.
I think she's here.
She was continued, Judge, on probation. The bailiffs know that she's not being heard today, Judge.
Okay,
The only one off the docket, Judge. Right, Alex? Okay.
Isn't she in the courtroom? Oh, that's Guadalupe Torres. Never mind, that's Guadalupe Torres.
Yeah, Stephanie Aguilar, Judge, is off the docket because she was
Got it.
continued.
Something more there.
Oh. He's this week. I don't know if he's from Louisiana. Did you understand? Can you understand? He went to the restroom. He washed his face.
When are you gonna do it again? Yeah, sign up for it.
Next Sunday. Well, the thing is, because he called me and he goes.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Is this ever requesting for you? Someone 7249 G. Okay, all right.
Kelly, you ready to see your client? Okay,
You're in.
okay.
There's a little yellow arrow right here. Oh, do I see a little yellow?
Yeah. All right.
No, I would ask the question.
I should buy those stupid bounce machines for balloons and stuff.
Okay, Teresa, the computer's cleaned out.
Excellent, Judge. Thank you, Judge.
Can I put my name in capitals? Can I put it sign N? Okay, all right. Quick video. Okay.
Just a question, is this for court and bond hearing?
Just on here. Maybe a plea, it depends on your attorney. Maybe a plea, but it depends on your attorney.
Gotcha. Okay.
So that's my call.
That'd be nice.
All right.
Real nice.
Shit, it was 51 degrees this morning.
Mhm.
It's a good thing.
Check
And
that.
we had a breeze. So it's go. Ooh. But I went outside with just a t-shirt with my,
All right.
some half of my jumping in. And I thought, oh shit, I'm ready for the long sleeve.
Yeah. Sorry. Sir.
And I'm doing the Burke County gifts back. I guess because it's a Saturday, but that beach on there, I just. What's his name, Hernandez, and a young kid is up here. So,
Okay. I don't have to,
Right.
put that, the date.
Okay, so we're watching them, they're doing the blower, the weed eater, cutting grass at the substation. So,
Okay.
well, they get a blower and a weed eater.
All right, Danielle,
Good morning, Judge.
good morning. As soon as your client, Gregory Wilder, please.
Sorry about the audio stuff. I don't know what my headphones are doing.
It's okay. Everybody's having troubles today.
Technology.
All right, thank you. There we go. 715-745, State of Texas versus Wilder Gregory or Gregory Wilder. That's you, sir? Okay. Have them unmute so I can hear you. Tell them to unmute this. If you don't know how. All right. So you're Gregory Wilder.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen, sir?
Yes.
Okay. I'm gonna go through the paperwork with you. It looks like, well, who do we have for the state first?
Felicia Stevens for the state of Texas.
And for Mr. Wilder.
Danielle Kramer for the defense.
Okay, Mr. Wilder, do you agree to do this plea by video conference?
Yes.
Okay. Looks like you're charged with the offense of resisting arrest. That is a Class A misdemeanor. You could have gotten up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in jail. That's the full range of punishment, not what you're getting. If I don't follow the plea bargain that your attorney has worked out with the state of Texas, I would let you take back your plea. Nothing we've done so far would be held against you. If I go along with it, you won't be able to complain or appeal my decision. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You have a right to have a jury trial, right to cross-examine witnesses, right to remain silent. It looks to me by the paperwork that you want to give up those rights and plead no contest in this charge. Is that correct?
Yes.
Is your client mentally competent?
I believe he is, Your Honor.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And is he pleading freely and voluntarily?
I believe he is, Judge.
How long have you represented Mr. Wilder?
Longer than 10 days.
All right. Then I'm going to accept his plea of no contest. I will find him guilty. And what is the plea bargain from the state?
He is asking for a $0 fine, court costs,
And if you
50
do want to fill it
days
out.
to Bear County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and we ask the court finds a judgment has been satisfied.
All right. Is that your agreement, Ms. Cranberg?
It is, Your Honor.
Then that's what I'm going to do, Mr. Wilder. I'm going to follow the plea bargain,
Something in-
place you, just
Let's see.
sentence you to time served. It means your judgment is satisfied. Do you have anything else holding you?
Okay, but I don't
No,
see
ma'am.
anything here.
Okay, then you should be released sometime today or tomorrow. Okay, sir?
Thank you. Appreciate
Good
y'all.
luck. Good luck.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you, Mr. King.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, have a good one.
Are you going to sit in for Monica on the
Email address.
bond docket?
Did she sign in?
It's a bond. It's later. It's at 9:30.
Oh, for Lawyer of the Day? I think she's joining for that one.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good one.
Judge, we're ready on the plea for Guadalupe Torres whenever you are.
Okay, one sec. Oh, no. Oh, Terry. You're gonna have to resend me that plea paperwork on Gregory Wilder. I didn't sign all the right boxes.
There you go. That's all it is. Just the email.
Okay, it goes to the clerk,
The
hold
clerk
on.
will have to resend it to me or something.
I think, you just tell her which boxes to check, Judge, and I think she'll do it, right, Corinne?
Okay, just tell me later. I'll figure it out.
Yes.
Okay, Corinne, I just did the first part. I forgot to sign all the rest.
Oh, okay. We're missing signatures then?
I think y'all are gonna be missing signatures, yes. You can look at it. If you are, just resend it to me and I'll fix it.
Okay.
Okay, Nicholas Kazazian.
You need him, Judge?
I'm looking for the attorney real quick.
Okay.
Mr. Butler, where'd you go?
Guadalupe,
Torres.
no, are you here? You already signed?
Yes.
Okay.
Looks like Milton Butler went to room 2. So that's where Nicholas Kazazian needs to go. Perfect, thank you.
You done?
You gotta talk to probation.
Yeah.
You gotta talk to probation.
Okay, Mr. Butler, you ready?
Yes, I am.
All right, let me pull up your
Nicholas.
case. Okay, you are Nicholas Kazazian?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, sir. This is 717-249. I need to talk to you about your rights. You have the right to remain silent. You do not need to do or say anything today if you don't want to. You have a right to have a jury trial, the right for your attorney to cross-examine witnesses, the right to remain silent. Looks to me like you signed some paperwork that said you want to give up those rights, not have a jury trial in this case, and you would like me to go along with the plea bargain your attorneys worked out with the state. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it was a Class B misdemeanor. You could have gotten up to a $2,000 fine, up to 180 days in jail. That's just the full range of punishment. Who do we have for the state
Alicia Stevens for the state of Texas.
and for Mr. Kazazian?
Milton Butler.
All right. Mr. Butler, do you feel your client's mentally competent?
I do.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any defenses?
He has.
And are you a U.S. citizen, sir?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to accept your plea of no contest. I'm going to find you guilty. What is the plea bargain, please?
State is asking for a $0 fine, court cost, 32 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent. We ask the court finds the judgment has been satisfied. And in consideration of this plea, state is going to dismiss cause number 718151, criminal trespass.
All right,
That is
Mr.
the
Butler.
agreement. That is
That's
the
your
agreement,
agreement?
Your Honor. Yes,
Okay.
it is.
Then, Mr. Kazazian, I'm going to follow the plea bargain. Your judgment satisfied on your first criminal trespass. Your second one will be dismissed. Do you have any other charges holding you?
No, ma'am.
You should be released sometime today or tomorrow, sir.
Okay.
Okay, good luck.
Thank you.
Has
Oh,
tendered
and you can't
dismissal.
appeal my decision, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
Right.
Thank you.
Where you closing? Is he annexed or from here?
It doesn't matter, but give him his card if it's there. Don't grab it. Let the officer get it.
What's your name?
Is that him?
We hold on to it then, right? We're gonna.
Yeah, he can hold on to it. He can take it. He can't go nowhere. We have to take off the cuffs. Don't take off the cuffs, just give him the card.
Do you see paperwork, Judge, for Guadalupe Torres, Judge?
I got it.
Okay, Judge.
One sec.
Guadalupe.
Well, I guess I finished all that. Okay. This is 683-820, State of Texas versus Guadalupe Torres. That's you, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Who do we have for the state?
Alicia Stevens for the state of Texas.
And for Ms. Torres?
Kelly Fernandez.
All right. Ms. Torres, you have the right to remain silent. You have the right to have a jury trial, and you have the right for your attorney to call any witnesses. It's my understanding by looking at paperwork, you do not want to have a jury trial in this case. You want me to go along with the plea bargain your attorneys worked out with the state. Is that right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And you're willing to do this by video conference?
Yes, ma'am.
Looks like you're charged with the offense of criminal trespass of a habitation. That's a Class A misdemeanor. You could have gotten up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in jail. That's just the full range of punishment. If I don't follow your plea bargain, however, I'd let you take back your plea. Nothing we've done so far would be held against you. If I go along with it, you won't be able to complain or appeal my decision. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with your attorney's advice?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you signing this paperwork freely and voluntarily?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you feel that your client, Ms. Fernandez, do you feel your client's mentally competent?
I do, Judge.
And has she been able to assist you with the preparation of any defenses?
She has.
How long have you represented her?
Since 2022.
All right.
She is diving.
I'm going to accept her plea of no contest. I am going to find her guilty. What is the agreement?
State is asking for a $0 fine, court cost, 8 days in the Bear County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and we ask the court finds the judgment has been satisfied.
Leave those guys alone.
Is that your agreement, Ms.
Don't blame
Fernandez?
them, just sit there.
It is, Judge.
All right, Ms. Torres, I'm going to follow that plea bargain. Your judgment is satisfied. I think when we talked earlier this morning, you said you had nothing else holding you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you should be released sometime today or tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
Good luck.
Thank you.
All right, go back
Bye.
in.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Wherever you want. Wherever you want. LeBron.
Eric Hernandez is here, Judge. I'm gonna let him in and his client is in one.
All right, thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, Eric.
Good morning.
You need to talk to the state?
Yes, please.
Okay. Putting you in room 4.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
You don't have your cards? Yeah.
No, they should have it because they're out there. No, I don't have, unless they're over there.
Eric, you ready to see your client, Eric?
Yes, ma'am. I'm ready.
Okay, I'll put you in room 1.
All right. Can you hear me, Miss Stevens?
I can.
Okay, I became unplugged, so I'm just making sure. Okay, let's go ahead and get Orcus LeBron.
Miss Stevens, I'm sending you an email address in the chat. For some reason, I could not find the discovery acknowledgement. If you could resend it to me.
Of course, no problem. If you give me a few moments to grab the report.
And I mean, we can go forward with the plea. I'll be sure to confirm on the record that discovery was complied with, and we'll get it signed.
All right. 717-220, State of Texas versus Orcus LeBron. That's you, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Are you a U.S. citizen, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you satisfied with your attorney's advice?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Who do we have for the state?
Felicia Stevens for the state of Texas.
And for Mr. LeBron?
Eric Hernandez for the defendant, Orcus LeBron.
Okay. Okay, Mr. LeBron, you agreed to do this by video conference, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. You're charged with the offense of assault bodily injury. That's a Class A misdemeanor. The full range of punishment is up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in jail. That's not your plea bargain. That's the full range of punishment. You signed some paperwork, states you understand you have a right to a jury trial, but you do not want one. A right to cross-examine witnesses, a right to remain silent. It looks to me like You want me to go along with any plea bargain your attorney has worked out with the state. Is that right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Mr. Hernandez, do you feel your client's mentally competent?
I do, Your Honor.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Then I'm going to accept his plea of no contest to the charge. I am going to find him guilty. If I do follow your plea bargain, sir, you will not be able to complain or appeal my decision. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Then what is the plea bargain, please?
State is asking for a $0 fine, court cost, 77 days in the Bear County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and we ask the court finds the judgment has been satisfied.
That's your agreement? Mr. Hernandez?
It is, Your Honor.
All right. Then I am going to follow that agreement, Mr. LeBron. I'm going to sentence you to time served. If you don't have anything else holding you back, then you should be released sometime today or maybe tomorrow. Okay, sir?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, good luck. Get real. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Mr. Hernandez.
You're welcome, Mr. Orcus. Have a good day. Or Mr. LeBron, sorry. Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, let me get off YouTube.